Well, hi everybody. This is a stay-at-home grandma, and this is my last individual review of the day. And in here I have some Beeagle slip-ons. They're pulled out. They're for my son-in-law's birthday's coming, and my grandson-in-law, and I'm doing a little birthday bag for him. And these are the Beagles, and I got these for him. I figured he could wear these around the house, or you know, when he's going out doing little things. And this is what I got him. So it's like it's a shoe, and it's actually leather, and it's nice inside. It has a comfortable pad inside. So when he wants to do something comfortable and he doesn't want to wear sneakers and everything, he just wants to put these. And these are breathable as well. And then they're knitted on the inside, so they're really, really a really good shoe. And I figured, well, you know what? At first I wasn't going to get it, and then I decided I would get them for him because he's really a comfort to me. So, if you like these shoes, like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section. Give it a thumbs up. And also, if you want them, I'll have the comments of these shoes in the comment section. So I love you. Take care. God bless. And bye-bye.